do the trend, okay? Look up what makeup will work for you. Just go on TikTok and search makeup. And the first makeup template that pops up, do it, I promise you, because I love this. Like, TikTok, why do you know me so well? That is very, very, very scary. Very scary. Like, why do you, not on top of, like, why do you know my feet? Why do you know what I look like? I mean, I guess I'm in the camera 24/7, but. So I searched it up, and the style that I got was like Arabic makeup, and I like it. It's really pretty. It's very dramatic, and I low-key already love like a cat eye anyway, and so the fact that it's like makeup underneath my eye is different, but it definitely matches me, so I'm excited to try it. We're gonna be using shades. This is a really, really, really old palette, y'all, but we're gonna be using my BH matte palette. I already like shade tested some things, so I'm gonna use this shade and this shade as like the brown, and then this shade as the black. Next, I'm just gonna put some concealer on my brows, on my eyelids, so that way it kind of acts as a primer base, really just a base. And notice how I'm not like filling all the way to my top brow. That's because I want the rest of my face to look really natural, because I noticed with Arabic makeup, it's a lot of attention to the eyes and the eyes only. Like, it's even very, very light blush. I can't talk, y'all, that's embarrassing. I'm gonna use a brush that's really good for like blending eyeshadow. Perfect. I knew I grabbed the right one because this already says crease brush, so I just confirms I know what I'm talking about. Like I said, I'm going to be using two different shades for that like burnt brown look. I'm going to start with the brown on my crease to begin with. And the reason I did it like this, because when I was like color swatching, I just realized if I were to do the orange just by itself, it would have been way too bright for me. I don't know what brush I should use for the black. I think I might use this one. It's like a flat brush. So maybe I could try to like pack it on my crease and then blend it out with this brush, and it's just like a regular eye blending brush. I'm just gonna put a little dot right there. See? And then I'm gonna look up. And then that's how I'm gonna like do my crease. This is actually a lip brush. I'm lying. This is tight eyelining, so it works perfectly. I'm just letting y'all know, as I'm filling it in, I did switch out my brush and I changed it to like a flat brush, just so I have more coverage as I'm adding the concealer. So as I'm watching the video again, she did put eyeshadow where she put concealer, and I'm gonna do that too, just so the concealer doesn't spread anywhere else. And I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm using another flat-ish brush. Now she's working on her under eye, and I don't want to do my under eye until my full face is done. So BRB while I do my left eye, and we'll come back to do the rest of my face. So now I'm just going to get straight into my full face. And what I'm gonna do is just foundation first. Just washed all my brushes, so they're nice and clean and ready to go. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. This does not look like my shade at all. only thing I could think of is just add some yellow. Like, you need this in your collection. No more switching your foundations out for summer, fall, winter. You either add this or you add, I need to get the red shade and the blue shade just in case, because now I'm gonna take my under eye and do a couple. And this is why I didn't want to do my under eye eyeshadow as well, because I knew I was going to be doing a brightening thing under my eye. Got this from Amazon, banana setting powder. It's called Banana Dreams. It's loose setting powder. Got banana because I don't like translucent that much, because it has like a white cast, a white shadow basically. That same like lip brush that I had earlier. Next, I'm gonna take my black liner and line my waterline, like my actual waterline. And notice how I'm not going to the corner of my eye. There's a reason for that, so just stay with me. But you want to try to get it as dark as you can. Okay, this palette has a light pink. It's another Juvia's palette. I think I am going to use this light pink right here. For this style of makeup, we're going to put it like mainly on my cheekbones and blend backwards. And I'm just going to use one little light. Yeah, that's from one tap. This was a clean brush. Okay, I don't know what I should use. I'm gonna try using this felt tip pen because I just like the precision of the brush, or the pen actually, because now we are ready for lashes. So I'm just gonna start de-shedding. Maybe instead of using my Juvia's lip liner, which I know is very, very strong, I'm gonna use this very light brown that I got from like the beauty supply. Like, I want to use this pale color, but I'm kind of scared. Okay. Doing a couple passes through for real. Really like the look, y'all. Like, TikTok might have ate with that whole we know what makeup look is really for you, because this eats. Like, this really eats. I look amazing. Like, I didn't think a light color would, I never thought this would work for me by itself, but it's really eating right now. Like, you guys, do that makeup trend. Do the trend, okay? Do it.